Hi, this is Ankita.
And this is Kanika.
We both are from Chandigarh, India, and we have made a joint project on canteen management system. This project deals with the canteen management system. It is an effective system because all the work is computerized. It is easy to retrieve and store stock information. The owner can do the following. He or she can add the product, update product, delete product, add the faculty members, update the faculty members, and delete the faculty members. He or she can even raise the bill depending upon the current price of the item available in the canteen. These are the various tables used. This is a main login ID page. It consists of a login ID name and a password which will be allotted to each staff member and the student. It consists of 3 records field: credit record, generate bill, and manage stock. The owner can manage the stock by currently filling in the details of the price available in the canteen. He can also, the staff and students can generate the bill depending upon the order they place. This field consists of the list of products that are currently available in the canteen. This is the stock entry in which the canteen owner can fill in the details of the product name, price, quantity, units, stock owner, and approved by, and save in the details so that whenever a person opens this website, he or she can view the number of stocks available in the list. This is a list of faculty record where all the faculty members' name and ID is stored. This is a student record in which the student who wants to maintain an ID on this website enters the roll number, name, department, address, contact, credit, city and debit, and save in the details. He or she can order the bill by entering the amount of items he or she wants with the price, and the total bill will be calculated depending upon it. The students and staff can either pay the bill by cash, or if they don't have the money, the price will be saved in the website, and the next time they open the ID, they can pay it the next time. The economic feasibility. Our project is economically feasible. Since we are students and we are working for ourselves, so we are not concerned about cost of the project that has been made. Operational feasibility. Our project is highly operational feasible since it can be used everywhere. The scope of this project is very broad in terms of maintaining complete records of not only canteen but supermarkets and malls. Few of them are, this can be used very easily, can be used anywhere. Thank you. This was all about our project.